I'm in Green Cove Springs, Florida, northern Florida, just below Jacksonville on the St. Johns River. And I'm turning down this road to look at the North Florida Railroad Museum. So you can see their website is nfrm.org. Let me zoom in for you right there. North Florida Railroad Museum.org. And we've got a few cars here. I'll just idle on up forward a little bit and take a look. I don't know what that first one was. Here we've got a Southern. And then we've got a passenger car, baby blue. Don't recognize that. Another passenger car in just primer. And this looks like a baggage car, AARX. I don't know what that means, AARX. And then a little switch engine here. I'm going to wheel around before this truck comes, and we'll get a front end view of that switcher. And this is the museum. Looks like they need some help, some time, and some donations to get this museum rolling and underway. If you've got any questions about trains, toy trains, real trains, ask Captain Chris.